Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this tutorial I'm going to tell you that how you can schedule a meeting on Zoom. So for that obviously you'll need to download your Zoom app, and you can just download that from the Play Store or Apple Store, whichever you have. And once it's downloaded, you'll be able to see an app like this. Make sure it's blue and it's legit and original. After that, just click on this app, and now here you'll be able to see these options at the bottom, and among these options click on the bottom left, that is meetings. And after coming to meeting, select the schedule with a calendar icon, and after that you can write your Zoom meeting name, like whatever you want. For example, if you're a teacher, you can just write chemistry class or any. And then here you can write the time when your meeting begins and duration, that how long your meeting is. So what Zoom does is that they have a, I guess, 50 minutes limit, and if you want to make the meeting longer, you'll have to buy premium. After that, you can even select the time zones according to your own continent, and repeat if you want the class to be repeated every day or every Tuesday, Monday. You can just select it over here. And the calendar, if you want to import any calendar, and attendees, like what's the limit, like who can attend it. And after that you can even enable a personal meeting ID, and you can require meeting passcodes, like this would be the passcode, and enable waiting room. So whoever joins through the link would be redirected to a waiting room, and you have to allow them, that you can just allow the people who you want to be in class, just like a real class, and you can just allow them, and then they can come inside, and apart from that they cannot be. And then you can also have some other meeting options like host video on or participant video on. So that is how you can schedule a meeting on Zoom. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.